Can you believe what 1 cup of sugar and 4 tablespoons of water can turn into? Amber golden beauty. Now, just by adding 3/4 of a cup of cream, we're gonna turn this into caramel. We are making caramel. I wish you could smell this. We're gonna take this caramel and pour it over 8 ounces of chocolate chips. The last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. It's gonna make our chocolate shine. It's gonna give it some body, and it's also gonna give it a little bit of velvet when it's on your tongue. Butter never hurts anything. Into the fridge, 2 to 4 hours. Look what I've got, our chilled chocolate. It's actually solid. It's ready to start scooping and making truffles. Look at this confetti. I mean, it's darling. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.